Right now, as you are watching this video, your body is doing hundreds of things without asking you. It is repairing damaged cells. It is fighting silent infections. It is making decisions that can protect you or harm you. And the scary part, most people live their entire life without knowing what their body secretly does every night. Today, I will tell you 25 shocking secrets about your own body, facts doctors rarely talk about, facts schools never teach, and facts that will make you see yourself very differently. Stay till the end, because fact number 18 explains why some people wake up tired even after sleeping for 8 hours. The story begins. Dr. Mira had worked in a hospital for 15 years. One night, during a quiet shift, she looked at a sleeping patient and said something that shocked a group of interns. She said, "The human body does its most dangerous and most powerful work when you are asleep." The interns laughed, but she didn't. She turned off the lights and began to explain. Secret number 1, your brain cleans itself at night. When you sleep, your brain removes toxic waste. This cleaning system does not work when you are awake. That's why poor sleep increases the risk of memory loss. Secret number 2, your blood pressure drops during deep sleep. This gives your heart a break. People who don't get deep sleep have higher heart disease risk. Secret number 3, your body repairs DNA while you sleep. Every day, your DNA gets damaged by stress, food, pollution. Sleep fixes these tiny breaks.
One intern asked, "Is that why sleep is so important?"
Secret number 4, your immune system becomes stronger at night. White blood cells increase while you sleep. That's why lack of sleep makes you fall sick easily. Secret number 5, your breathing becomes slower and deeper. This helps oxygen reach every cell properly. Secret number 6, your brain decides what memories to keep. Useless memories are deleted. Important ones are stored. That's why sleep improves learning.
Dr. Mira paused. Now listen carefully.
And secret number 7, your body temperature drops at night. This helps you fall asleep faster. A warm room can disturb this process. Secret number 8, your kidneys slow down urine production. That's why you don't need to use the bathroom often at night. Secret number 9, your brain creates dreams to process emotions. Dreams help reduce emotional stress. That's why people feel lighter after good sleep. Secret 10, your gut bacteria work more actively at night. They repair the gut lining and improve digestion. Late night eating disturbs this balance. One intern whispered, "So our body is busier when we are unconscious?" Dr. Mira smiled. Secret number 11, muscles grow while you sleep, not while you exercise. Exercise creates damage. Sleep repairs and grows muscle. Secret number 12, the brain replays the day at high speed. It reviews mistakes and successes. This improves skills without effort. Secret number 13, growth hormone is released mostly at night. This hormone repairs tissues and slows aging. Secret number 14, your heart rhythm becomes more stable. Proper sleep reduces heart rhythm disorders.
Dr. Mira lowered her voice. Now comes the part most people don't know.
Secret number 15, your brain can wake you up before danger. You can wake up just before an alarm because your brain tracks time subconsciously. Secret number 16, your body burns fat while sleeping. Poor sleep increases fat storage. Secret number 17, blood sugar control improves during sleep. That's why lack of sleep increases diabetes risk. Dr. Mira looked serious. Secret number 18, sleeping too little or too much both harm you. Both are linked to heart and brain problems. Quality matters more than quantity. Secret number 19, your brain practices future situations. This helps decision-making and creativity. Secret to 20, cells communicate more efficiently at night. This improves healing.
One intern asked nervously, "What happens if we don't sleep well for years?"
Dr. Mira didn't answer immediately. Secret number 21. Chronic sleep loss shrinks parts of the brain, especially areas linked to memory and emotions. Secret number 22. Your emotional control resets during sleep. That's why everything feels worse when you're tired. Secret number 23. Bone repair increases at night. Calcium absorption improves during sleep. Secret number 24. Your brain reduces pain sensitivity. Sleep deprivation makes pain feel stronger. Secret number 25. Your internal body clock controls everything, from hunger to hormones to mood. Disturbing it affects your entire life.
Your body is not lazy. It is not weak. It is a silent worker that protects you every single night. But it only works properly if you let it.
Most people don't need more medicine, they need better sleep, because the real magic of the human body happens when you are not awake to see it.